Yeah, welcome back to our class. We want to continue with our lessons of writing circuits in Noir. Today we'll be looking at how to write in Noir and the use of Barretenberg. But we'll be bringing some new concepts like scripts that we never covered in our last lesson, where we'll be automating our proofs and tests so that we do it when we run the proof, we do it automatically. It runs automatically instead of the manual way of inputting the command every time. So the objectives of our class today is first to understand what zero knowledge proof is. Of course, we already do, but just as a recap, we will try to go through what it is, then learn how to prove an edge within a range. So this one we did last time, we call it edge range, where somebody proves that he's between 18 and 60 without necessarily having to reveal what the exact age is. And then we use it to write a ZKP circuit. So we'll be writing a ZKP circuit for this. Of course, we did last time. And then generate and verify ZK proof locally and then optionally for on-chain use. Now, so why ZK for edge verification? Now, the ZK is important because we know traditional ways of checking what the age of somebody is would expose personal data of that person. So then we need ZK where the personal data of this person is not exposed. So the person is able to tell that is between this age without necessarily having to tell us what the exact age is. Now, so they'll be letting somebody, the prover, they'll be letting the prover this time to prove I'm over 18 without revealing the age. The applications of this is that we can apply this in privacy, compliance, and also in digital identity. So that is what that means. This circuit, you can always modify it so that it's applied in any of these areas. It can always be modified to do this. Now we had seen what Noir is, and so this is just a summary of what it is, just a recap of what we did last time. It will not take much time here because we already know what it is. Now we'll go straight to doing today's task, where we want to create a project and then write the circuit and then try to prove. But this time we want to automate the commands so that it's done automatically. That is how it's done in real life setting, so that nobody's putting the commands directly or a command after command. You don't do it. Don't do that in a real life setting. It's automated so that it does automatically. So that is what we'll be learning today. Now, so the good thing we've already installed, we have Rust installed, we have Noir installed, we have Nago, we have Barretenberg, and so on. They're all installed, so we are ready to go. We will open our WSL so that we just move step by step. So let me open my WSL. I want to share mine. Okay, my WSL, can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, so we just want to begin writing a project. Our target today is to see how to automate the commands so that they can be done automatically without necessarily having to input them time after time. Now, so for us to write a project, as we've always done, we go to, I'm not seeing what I'm sharing. Just a minute. Okay, you're seeing what I'm sharing. Is that okay? I'm now seeing it. So I would CD, you're seeing what I'm writing, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, that is where my projects are, Rust programs. That's where I put my programs. So I want to begin a new project here. I will say Nago new. I don't know whether my Nago has had problems. I don't know whether it will accept. And I want to call it edge range. I want to call it edge range, just like that. So this is the new project I want to. So let me press enter. Okay, so the Nago, my Nago has had problems, but there's a way I solve it. So let me solve it. Just so to solve it, I can still come out of this. Then use this command so that I'm putting it in the path. So I don't know why it every time it gets out. So that when I say Nago version, it's supposed to tell me the version. It means it is okay now. So let me again
Okay.
yes.
Maybe when you CD into the Rust, since maybe your Nago is installed globally in your global WSL environment, and maybe when you
Yes.
CD into the Rust programs, which is like a specific directory, could that mean that it does not reflect there?
I think I think it doesn't reflect. It reflects for some time, then it exits. I don't know why. I try to make it permanent. It's like I think there's something I did because initially it was just okay. Then after some time, I started seeing these problems after installing so many things. I don't know what I installed that interfered with it, but it's now okay.
And that's okay.
Mm. Now see the Rust programs. Then now go new. It said we call it edge range. Now it has been successfully created, so we can get into it. So CD. Oh, I just call it edge. Eh? I just call it. I can say just edge. I didn't say edge ring, but it's no problem. So let's get inside. We are now inside, so you can say code, then open it in VS. So my VS is now open here. I can also share it.
Yes.
So Okay, it's here. It's called Edge. That is the one we opened. We have the default main.nr. Then you have the Nago Tomil. Now, so we will love to edit this. We love to edit these so that we have the command, what we want. So you edit it depending on what you want. But what we want today is just to test the edges. Somebody tell us whether it's in a given range of edge. So we shall use the same code we used the same code we used last time. So I'll just change this to reflect the one we used last time. Now, so
could you please send the code for me in the chat so that I can also do it while you do it?
yes. Just send it to the chat so that we can move together. You can see it, huh?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay. Now, so you are there, we can continue.
Yes.
Okay, so let's just try and see whether it compiles before we proceed. Just want to see if it compiles. Now we are ready there. We are in Rust programs and then Edge. So Nago compile. Yeah, it's okay. Now we have tests. We've added some tests here. We wanted Edge to be between 18 and 60. I've added a test of 35 years and then a test of 16 years, then finally a test of 75 years. These two, the last two, I've commented them out because they're outside this range. So if I uncomment, I should get fail. So let's try Nago tests. Nago test with those ones commented. So it's okay. It says one test has passed. Now let's uncomment the one that we expect to fail. This one you expect to fail because it's outside the range. It's outside the range we are testing. So let's just uncomment it and see what we get. Okay, so that one has failed. It's okay. Now, so the rest will also fail. Let's just go back. Let's just go back. That we just undoing. It's not working. Just comment it back. Now, what we want is to automate these tests. Now, before we do that, let's do Nago execute. And for us to do Nago execute, we require prove a toml. And then just say age. We want to see what age we'll be testing. So you can put any age, we can test that 5. You can test that 5 and we see whether it will work. So again, we just run Nago tests. Okay, it's within the range, so it passes. Now, so we now want to automate our our proofs. Just give me some 1 minute. Okay, so for us to automate our proofs, we want to automate the proofs for generation of proof, verification, key generation, and so on. Those are what we want to automate. So we'll have to create a directory called scripts, and inside that directory called scripts is where we shall now store our commands. That's why we shall store our commands for proof generation, verification, and you had disappeared, huh? Nelly. Can you still hear me? Yes, Nelly. Okay. Yeah, I think you have some network challenges. Or your audio has a problem. That is okay. But the other time I was hearing you. What happened? So as I had said, for us to automate those commands, we need to make a directory called script. So in our terminal, we just write that make directory. Is it?
Can you hear me now?
You can now hear. Okay.
Okay. So
So
I lost.
We were.
I lost. I lost where we were. When I just pasted the code in my IDE. I didn't know what you did next because I was not hearing you.
When you
pasted the code in the chat when you shared the code with me, so I lost you when we compiled it.
Okay. But you have it in your chat, eh?
Yes.
You have it in your main NR.
Yes.
Now, have you added a prover toml?
No. That's where I lost you.
Okay, so you just click on this side, on the left side, then right click, and there is new file.
Oh, okay.
When you click on the left, you can see where I'm pointing. Is that okay?
Yes.
Then you right click there. There's a new file.
Mm-hmm.
Then when you click on new file, you can now write the word prover.toml.
Ah, nice.
Then press enter.
Okay.
After pressing enter, what do you get? You get some space to write something. Is that okay? So right there, age equals 35. What you are saying here, write that. Age equals 35. Is that okay?
Yes. So I also realized
So to be sure,
that when you just do nago check, the prover.toml file is generated automatically.
yes.
So I can
That's
also
true.
do that as well.
Yes, when you do that, it generates the proper toml for you.
Okay.
Yes. Now go check.
Yeah.
Now, so we want to automate our commands so that we can generate the proof, generate the key, verify, and so on. So for us, the commands, I said we will make a directory. Just in at the terminal, just write directory, make directory, and the name of that is scripts. That's why we want to have our commands kept, so that we'll be doing automatically key generation, proof verification, and so on. So when you press enter, you can see there is a directory formed at the top of SRC. You can see that.
Yeah.
Have you done it?
So we are creating it inside the age directory. Okay, yes. Let me do it.
So when you are inside Edge, just write in the terminal, make that mkdir
Okay.
scripts, then press enter.
Done.
It's done. Is that okay? Yeah. Now, so the first thing we want us to do, to write one that will be generating the key, a key generation. So while inside, you just when you click on these scripts and then right click, you click on the scripts, then right click, there is new, press enter and call it keygen. So we want to be generating our key, so you can press enter. So we want inside that keygen, we shall put commands for generation of the key, and those are the same commands we saw last time. We had this. Have you done it?
Let me do it. So the keygen is a file or a directory?
Yes. Inside.
Okay.
Inside scripts. Inside the scripts. So while on the scripts, you when you click on the scripts and then right click, you can enter there and then just
Okay.
keygen. Okay, let's say keygen dot sh. Let's say keygen dot sh. Let me delete the first one. say keygen.sh.
Yeah.
You have it, huh?
Yes, yes.
Now I want us to paste the command we had. The command we used last time for key generation was this. BB write verification key that. This is the command we used last time.
Okay, could you paste for me this file in the chat, the keygen, the contents of the keygen?
Yes, let me just change this first.
Okay.
Because of the name of our niece Edge as the name of our project. So let me now share it with you. You can see it in the chat.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. Okay, so have you done it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's now cd scripts. I can see mine wrote with capital letter, capital S, cd scripts. Get inside. You have done that, huh?
Yes.
Let's try this dot, then backslash keygen. .sh. It says permission is not is denied. That means we have to give it permission first of all. So to give it permission, we want to ensure that the scripts are allowed to run. So I want to share the command to ensure that you allow the scripts to run. Now, if it doesn't run after this command, it means we will have to put other, we'll have to create other files first of all before we do it. So let's allow it. Let's say chmod plus scripts and so on. Now come out of scripts first of all.
Okay.
Come out of scripts, then paste the command. Okay, still it doesn't allow.
So maybe
But let's, well, yeah, we do the others because this one depends on others. Depends on others. So let's just do the rest. Then after we are done, we then run. So we'll again create another file inside scripts and call it prove.sh.
Okay.
Prove.sh. And then let me again send you the what you'll paste there. After you created it, you paste that proof.sh.
All right.
Remember, yes, the dot, then sh. Let me also create mine. So you click on the scripts, then right click, then proof.sh. Then paste what I just gave you. Now, this is just the command we used last time in generating the proof. It's here, you can see BB, proof, and so on. This is what we used last time. So we are now making it automatic so that it will be running automatically by itself. Okay, so once we've done that, we'll create another one. This time, I want us to create one that will be verifying. And let me again, for key verification, we had done the same. So you'll again create another one called verify.sh.
Okay.
Verify.sh, and again, I'm sharing it. I'm also create mine here. Verify.sh, and then enter and paste the code inside that. Okay, we can also create, it's not a must to create all of them, but we can create a few. And I'm only creating all of them because the ones I created depend on, so there are some that depend on others for them to run. But what you can do, you can just create one and put all the commands inside so that it does everything. Now we can also create another one, call it test. Just a minute. Call it test.sh. Create another one. Call it test.sh. I had not shared what to paste there. That one, you paste this. Now, so this one will just be testing. It depends on something called build.sh. It depends on that. So again, that means let's do that. But before that, let's try to run the few we have. Let's try. You can say I put some command here. Are you seeing where I'm pointing?
Yes, in the tests.
Yes.
The script build.sh.
Yes. So if you want, you see what the way we did last time. I said we entered the scripts first of all. Then we did dot backslash. That is when you are inside the scripts, but you can do it when you are not out, when you are not inside the scripts. You can copy these scripts. Then, for instance, if you want to generate the key, just say a key gen. It was key gen, then .sh. Now I've said here you can put age. You can put age if you want to test the age of 40, for instance. But if you just want to be general, you can omit the age and try to run. But it's not still running, but it will just run.
Oh, your script is in capital S.
Oh, yes. My script is in capital S. So let me just change it to small s. I can just rename. Okay, so if that is the case, let me again try. It says permission denied. Okay, let me see. It depends on which one. Which one does it depend on? So I think it depends on. We need to prove the. We need to do proof first, and then the proof one. What does it depend on? Okay, let's try this one of proof and see whether it works. But before that, I had said we need to ensure the scripts are working.
Yeah.
You have to ensure that the scripts are working. And there's a command I had given you. You still have it?
Yes, yes, I still have it.
It was CHMOD.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So let's try. Although I had not used it. Okay, you can even replace that script by what you want to run. You can replace this CHMOD, you can replace the word scripts by either proof, by keygen, by test, depending on what you want to. But if you want to just be general, let's try. It has given us, yes, you can see it as run.
Yeah, so that command makes the scripts executable so that we don't get the error of permission denied, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, nice.
Makes them executable. Now, so I was saying, if you want, you can replace the word scripts here by proof. For instance, you want to just make proof alone to be executable. Or if you want keygen alone to be executable, so you can replace the word scripts by that. Now, so let's try to add. There's a command here. You can see the command, the one I'm copying for key generation.
Yes. Yeah.
Let's again try it. So you can see it says verification key has been served inside VK. So it ran successfully. And verification key has been saved inside. Try yours and see so that we see whether it's working from your side also.
Okay. Let me see. Mine is saying that wait. There might be a problem with my keygen. Unexpected end of file. Let me see. Let me copy the command that you gave me correctly so that I have the
Yes, the one for verification.
yeah. Okay. So let me
Is
see.
the one I'm just sharing on the one that is appearing here. You try and see that is the one you're using.
So let me try again. You have shared. Mine is saying that let me see. Mine is saying, let me share my screen. Can I share my screen? You see my error?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, there. There is mine. Let me move this up here. Yeah.
When you
Yeah, here's the error.
run this, the error is here.
Yes. Okay. Oh, maybe I don't have this JQ installed.
Oh, JQ is what?
It says that it could not open file this target h.json, no such file or directory. Let me send you the error in the chat so that
Oh,
you can see.
yeah. Now the problem
Yeah.
is you did not say compile.
I forgot to compile my Noir
Yeah, so
program.
there's
Oh,
no
okay.
target. There's no target in
Ah,
here. You need to
yeah.
compile, then need execute.
Okay.
So
Now,
just say while there you can.
now go compile
Mm-hmm.
and then now go execute.
Yes.
Okay, yes, I
You
think
can
now
now
it should
try
work.
the same
Let me
key.
try the,
Yes.
yes. No. Oh, wait. Change.json.
What is it saying?
It still has the same error.
The same error?
So, because my JSON is edgerange.json, but here it's saying target edge.json. So I
Oh,
don't.
yes. Now
Uh-huh.
the command you pasted,
Uh-huh.
just click on the command. No, not the command. Just go to the keygen. Click
The
on the keygen.
keygen.sh. Okay.
Yes.
I modified this.
Yes. Modify that to be your project.
Okay.
That is edge range.
Yes, edge range. So
Yes.
save it
Now
here.
again, try that.
All right. I hope it works now. Yeah, I think it has worked. Let's
Yeah.
see.
That was where the problem was.
Nice. I can stop sharing.
Oh, it's okay. Now, so we've let me also share mine now.
Okay.
Now, so we put prove. We have test. We have keygen. We have verify. We can also have. We can add another one. We can add build. And what build will be doing? It will be doing everything. Build will be doing everything that it will be doing key generation, prove. So you can even not do what we've already had and just
Oh.
do build alone. And build alone will be doing all those.
Nice.
So let me share. So it's build.sh. I want to share what you'll paste there. And of course, again, you just edit where there is
Okay.
the title of your project. So you click on the scripts, then file, build.sh. Then paste. So you just check where there is a name that you need to change, but of course this one does not have anywhere. So it will be generating the proof. So I've listed what it will be doing. Generated the proof. And for it to generate the proof, it's calling on proof.sh, which we have.
Yeah.
So it calls on that. And then it will also be generating VK if it's missing.
Yeah.
And for it to do that, it will be calling on key generation, which we have. We'll also be doing a verification of the key. And for it to do that, it'll be calling on verify, which we have. And then this one is what we've not added. So we need to add this for it to work. Solidity, the one which will be generating the solidity verifier. So let's again add that one first of all, before we use this. So solidity verifier .sh, or you can just call it export. You can just call it export. Let me just click here, the new file, export underscore solidity underscore verifier.sh is export underscore solidity underscore verifier.sh. And what I want us to share, what I want us to have inside that is what I want to share. I'm sharing it now. So the same command we used last time to export solidity verifier. The same command that we are using. So the commands, all the commands we learned them in our last lesson. So today we're just making them automatic.
Okay.
So that is the solidity. Now we already asked this. We already asked this script to be automatic, to be executable. So we'll just copy this and replace with the export solidity verifier.sh.
Okay.
And then try to run it and see the solidity export underscore solidity underscore verifier .sh. Permission denied. So that means again you have to ensure it is executable. Let's just try again and make it executable. Okay, but we don't require even that. We don't require even, so once you have the build is supposed to do all those. The build is supposed to do. So let's just copy scripts dot that and then slash build and see what we. I said if you want, you can go inside the scripts and then do it from there. Now from my end, it has given me an error. Oh, it's the same error you are getting from your side. The same error.
I could not find, yeah.
The issue of the names.
Yeah, the names.
The issue of the names. So let's just go through each of them and see where the name has not been changed. I want to begin with the solidity verifier. This one has no name to be changed. Let me look at the build itself. It's just where we have the names, so that is where we just change. This one has the right one, age. For me, it's age. It's this one. This one has a wrong one. It's supposed to be age. And even here, it's supposed to be age. You are seeing what I'm changing, yeah? In the proof.sh. Proof.sh.
Okay.
The Wrong name. What about tests? The test has no, there's a name, but you can see what you're doing in test. What you're doing in test is that we are testing 17 years, 18, 35, 60, 61. So if it's outside, it's supposed to fail.
If it's outside the range.
You can see this one is outside.
Yeah, so it has to fail.
Let's just copy the command is here.
Okay.
This is dot scripts slash build.sh. And let's try to run it again and see what happens. Oh, there is something you cannot create a regular file on chain, verify.sol. At the bottom there. Our build had that option, wanted to, I had put up to here that it's supposed to build, pipeline that, copying that, export solidity verifier, and so on. Okay, let's, the on-chain part is supposed to create it and then push our verifier.sol to it. I think that one I'll just, the verifier.sol, we already have it. Do you have it?
Yeah, yes, mine, when I have run the command to export the command for exporting, I have gotten a response that says that verifier has been exported to target verifier.sol.
Oh, I never ran that. I never ran that.
Oh, yeah.
I never ran that. That is why the problem is. I'm wondering why I don't have it. So let me again just copy. Yeah, you need that first of all for you to be able to do the build because it will be using it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's supposed to be scripts. Then slash. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, that is now okay. It has run.
Yeah.
So as I said, we can always go inside the knee, but always go inside the scripts by doing CD scripts. And then you just say dot. Let's try that. CD scripts. And then once you are there, you can now see dot backslash build dot sh. Does not run. So it wants me. What about if I use the one the scripts backslash scripts? I don't know that one will run. Scripts. Oh, that one for you to use it, you get outside scripts first of all.
Yeah.
Then backslash scripts. Then backslash build .sh. Yeah, that one accepts. I don't know why it's rejecting the one of getting inside first of all. No, it It did not run.
Even me, I got the same error at the end where it says cannot create regular file. But it's there. Maybe, I don't know.
It says it cannot create what?
Mine says unable to open file, target public inputs. But the file
Yeah,
is there.
so you see we have the verified.sol. Is that okay?
Yeah.
What is that? Is inside the target.
Mm-hmm.
Verified.sol.
Mm-hmm.
So that what that means,
Mm-hmm.
we need to create another directory.
Mm-hmm.
And this directory, call it on chain.
Ah, okay.
We need to create it, and let's just try that and see if it works. So just as we did earlier, let's try and say make directory, make directory, and we call it on chain.
Okay.
Without the, let's do it without let me just write it properly. On chain. So that directory is now formed here.
Mm-hmm.
You can see it, eh?
Yeah.
So let's just copy whatever is in verify.sol.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just before that, when you click on this on chain, you
Mm-hmm.
can create a file inside there and call it verifier.sol again.
Okay.
Verifier.sol. But there's a way you can automate. There's a way you can automate so that once the verifier.sol is created inside target,
Mm-hmm.
the same thing is copied on chain.
Oh, okay.
There's a way you can automate so that once it's formed here, it's so that you're not copying every time and testing.
Mm-hmm.
I just forgot how you automate. Let's just copy this and then paste it inside this new verified.sol that we just created. And then try the same command and see whether this time it will work. Because it depends on that. It's supposed to verify on chain. Have you succeeded copying?
Yes, I've copied the verifier.sol into the verifier.sol in the on chain.
And does it run successfully?
What's the command to run it?
Mine has run successfully.
Oh, I had done the, okay, let me see. Let me do it again. The scripts.build.sh. Okay, let me try it and see what happens.
So it just required this verified.sol to be on chain because that is what what we had written in the bill is supposed to verify it. So it could not find it on chain. So that's why we created the directory called on chain. And then we input the verified.sol so that it will now be verifying it from there.
Okay, I think, let me share my screen. Mine is different. The output of my build, let me share my screen, you see. So I have run the verifier, the script, this command here.
Yes.
And then this is my output. It's different from yours.
Okay, let's go up. But has it been successful?
Yes, so it says starting building for yeah, and then it has created the proof directory. It has created the proof with Barretenberg, and then it has finalized. The public inputs have been saved to this directory. And then the proof has been saved to this directory. The proof created in here. And then the generation key, it already exists since we already did that. And then verifying proof, and then this is where it ends for me.
Unable to open file target. Just click on target.
Yeah, here's target. The public inputs is here. So it doesn't have anything.
Okay.
Yeah, here it is. Maybe, I don't know what's different. Maybe my build.sh is different from yours because mine, I don't know.
Mine does not have the public input. I don't know why.
Okay, so mine has done this, verifying proof, exporting, building pipeline, copying. So mine has not done these steps over here for the verifier.onchain.sol.
Which one?
The steps here, in the build.sh, we have these steps where it copies the verifier to here, and then on-chain verifier.sol, but we have done it here. So I have repeated again the process of, let me do it again.
I just copy and paste and then save.
Yes, I've already saved. Let me see if it's saved. Yeah. Yeah, it's already saved. So let me try again the build command and see if it works. So, yeah, mine ends there.
Has it run successfully?
Yes. Yeah. It has just repeated the same things that happened last time, like the previous time I have added. So it's the same, this one and this one.
What I'm wondering is why I do not have anything called
Public
public
inputs.
in mine. Mine does not have anything called public input. I don't know where yours is coming from.
Could you like resend, maybe what could be the different things that I'm doing? Maybe one of my files is not the same as yours. Maybe which one could not be the same?
Let us again look at yours.
Okay. Just a moment. Let me. Yeah, that's okay. My build.sh. Yours has 24 lines of code in the build.sh.
Okay, let me just check. The build.sh. Mine has 32.
That's the problem. That's the problem. Yeah,
Your number 4, hash number 4 talks about what?
let me see. My number 4 talks about in the build.sh.
Export,
This one.
export solidity.
No.
Oh, the build. I think the one you're using is different.
Okay, could you please send me the one that you're using?
The build.sh.
Yeah.
Yes, let me just share it.
Okay, thank you. I can stop sharing. Oh no, let's wait, see if it works.
Let's just wait. Let's just wait.
Yeah, okay. Let me see.
The one I've just shared it.
Okay.
build.sh.
Yes, I've seen it. Let me copy it. Let me paste it over here. What? I think when you paste in the chat, it has a limit to the number of characters. So mine is when you paste, it comes up to line 24. So maybe you can give me from line 24 or 25 to 32.
I'm saying it's like you have the whole of it. Because
You've said
I can see you have hash number 1, hash number 2,
hash number 3,
3,
Number
Then
4.
4.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and that's what I have.
Up to line 24, right?
Yes, but mine goes, there are many, but there's spacing, some spacing. So
Oh,
when I paste
spacing.
it, the spacing disappears. But the
Mm-hmm.
last line that I have is
Mm-hmm.
echo
Mm-hmm.
verifier copied to on-chain
On
verifier
chain.
dot
That
so.
soul.
That's what you
Okay.
have.
I think they're the same. They're the same.
Okay, try it again. Try to. What
Okay.
about maybe again we check what you have in the
Uh-huh.
exports.
Okay. Yeah, here it is.
Just a minute. So okay, export. Yeah, I think it's okay. Try again.
Mm-hmm. What about the proof? Proof it's okay?
Let me check mine. Prove atomil, execute that. Yeah, the command is okay. The command for the proof is okay. And you change the name to edge range.
Yeah, I already changed it to age range.
Um,
Verify. What about the verify? I think yeah, it should be okay. Let me try again.
Command is okay, yes.
Okay, let me try and see what's the problem. It's still the same.
Unable to open target public
Public
inputs.
input. Yeah,
Click
but
on
the
and
public.
target
Uh-huh.
is just under the proof.
Yes, it's there. Here it is. I already have it, and then I have the proof. It has been generated. The verifying key is there. Yes, like all of these files have been created. The dir public inputs, the proof has been created. This has been created, verifying proof. So I'm not sure if it has verified the
Okay,
proof.
what is inside the proof directory? What do you have?
Okay, in the proof directory, I have the proof itself and the
Yes.
public inputs. And I think I have the, no, I have those two.
Now try and delete that public input. We see.
This one, okay.
Just delete it. We see what happens. I don't know how it generated itself there.
I have deleted it.
I try and run again and see.
Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, it has generated itself again.
Oh, what is generating? Let's just go through. Yeah, let's just read from the beginning.
Uh,
The command
for
for
the build.
yes.
Okay. Let me collapse this. So,
We have a part for generating the proof.
mm-hmm.
We have generating verification key,
Yes.
and then we have this part
Well,
for verification.
so yeah, mine is not going to the step 4, of which we've already done it, right? We have done it manually. We have exported the verifier.sol, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we have. So I think maybe that's why it's stopping here, because we have already done it to on-chain. It is already here. Yeah, so
Yeah,
mine.
what I'm wondering
Mm-hmm.
is why it's generating some public inputs when
Input.
the command for that generation is not there.
Yeah, that what could be the problem? Or
Okay, what you
maybe.
do,
Uh-huh.
let's just begin from the start.
Uh-huh.
You begin Nago compile.
Okay.
Uh, Begin by deleting this target. Delete the target first of all.
Yeah, this whole file, this targets. Okay, so
Yes,
let me see. Mm-hmm. This here, I'm gonna delete the directory.
yes, permanently.
Yes, I have deleted it. So
Okay, let's begin.
Okay. So
Nago
Nago
file
compile.
so that we recreate the target.
And then Nago execute.
Yes.
Yes. Target h.js. Yeah.
Now do the build.
All right. So we have the script build.sh.
Yes.
Yeah, it's still the same.
It has already created something called public.
Let's see if it has created yes, it has created again here.
And is unable to read it.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we look at that later.
Okay.
We see why that one happens.
Yeah.
I had not expected it. I don't know why it. And from my end, it's not there. I don't know why.
On my end, it is there.
In your end, it's on your end. It's there.
Yeah, I'll also investigate and see.
Maybe we investigate that and see why it happens that way.
Okay.
Because I'm checking mine.
Mm-hmm.
I have target, I have proof directory, and then inside that I have edge.gz.
Okay, let me stop sharing. I see what you have.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, what I have under target,
Hmm?
I have the proof directory here,
Yeah, and you
and
only
then
have
the
the
proof
proof itself.
and edge.gz. Then there's
.json.
edge.just inside target. Yes, inside target. Target has always.
Mm-hmm.
Then the verification key.
Okay.
Then under the scripts, what we have is what we created.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to delete the target, you don't need to do it the way we did. Let me again share a command for doing that. Anytime you want to refresh the target, you can use clean. You can just write under the scripts, you can say clean.sh,
Okay.
clean.sh. And I want to share the command for cleaning that. I've shared the command for cleaning. So every time you do that, it cleans the target.
Okay, let me create it.
So you can see inside there, I've said cleaning the target directory. It removes the target and then it cleans it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is its role. If you can, so you see, we are doing this so that it's done automatically. So that nobody's doing the cleaning, deleting, and so on. So it will just be doing it's on its own. So it's dot scripts dot backslash scripts, then backslash clean dot sh.
Oh, you have to make it executable again.
Oh yes. Has yours worked?
I'm trying. Let me see. Speech.
Mine has cleaned. I now do not have a target anywhere. So that for me to have target, I have to begin by compiling again.
Yeah, mine has been cleaned. It has worked.
It has worked, eh?
Yeah.
Now begin again from Nago compile.
Okay.
Now, so after we had test, avoid, you can stop, you cannot, you can avoid doing the build and try test.sh. We see whether there will be some change. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, have you tried how far?
I'm still where you left me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You have done Nago, you cleaned?
Yes, I've cleaned and I've done
Then,
Nago compile and execute.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now try Nago, need the dot backslash scripts backslash test.sh.
Okay. Uh-huh. Test.
Share your name.
Okay, let me share my screen. Uh, so here's what I've done. Script test.sh, although it has, okay, yeah. So it has built the pipeline, it has proved compiling the circuit, executing circuit to generate witness, circuit witness successfully solved, witness saved to target age-range.gz, and then it has created the proof directory. Yes, and then scheme is ultra hung. Public inputs have been saved to target proof.
Oh, it also created that one, eh?
Yes, let me see. Yes, it has created the public inputs again. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, verifying proof, and then it's unable to open
Then
this.
it was unable to open
the public inputs file.
Public inputs file. What is this public inputs file? So
Yeah.
public input. Oh, what about your cargo, your prover Tomil? Did you write anything in the prover Tomil?
Let me see my prover TOML. This.
Where is that?
Here at the top.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I can see it. I can see that. Because when it talks about the public input side, it's referring to, I think that's what it's referring to. Those are the inputs.
Yeah, those are the inputs. Yeah.
So
Because
automatically you have it.
yeah,
You
because
have the
the public input can be seen by both the prover and the verifier, right?
yes, yes.
I think that would be the case.
Okay. Now let's just go slowly. Let's
Mm-hmm.
go step by step.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you've already done Nago test. No, you've already
Yes.
done Nago compile,
Mm-hmm.
execute. Now
Mm-hmm.
let's generate the key.
Okay, using the
Dot scripts. Yes,
keygen.sh.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, okay. Yes, it has been
That's
created.
successful.
Yeah.
That's successful. Let's prove.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to, okay, so I'm gonna delete this and say proof.sh. Yes, proof has been created in the
Okay, let's verify.
okay, so we do this verify.sh. Yeah, so when I do verify, it says this.
Unable to open
File target
targets.
public inputs.
What is inside your verify?
Let me see. My verify has this.
Target that, then echo VK not found, generating. Verify Oracle. So that is where the problem is beginning from this verify. I think the one that
Yeah,
is generating something.
yeah, this point here. I think that's the problem because it's not verifying, it's saying verifying proof and then it's unable to open the public input.
But the command you have
Mm-hmm.
is the exact one I have.
Yeah, so why are they acting different?
Yeah, the same command. Let me again just share the same command. The command for verify
Mm-hmm.
is the one I want to share here. I'm looking for where to paste it. Okay, is it here? That is for verify. So we successfully we've done proof, we've done key generation.
Mm-hmm.
So now again, let's see whether the verify would accept.
So let me paste it again. All right, so
If it doesn't,
mm-hmm.
then it means there's something we'll have to install
Mm-hmm.
for it to be. Let me see what it is. I'll give you some command to install. Just a minute, because I'm suspecting it could be the cause of all this.
Mm-hmm.
Um, just a minute. Just looking for the command for installation, what we're supposed to install and the
Okay.
command. So that if it's something that can take a few minutes, then we can install and see if it works.
All right.
Mm. So the commands we have a problem with this. One is they're giving something different.
Mm-hmm.
Is that key generation? No, not the key generation. It has been, what was that?
It's the verifying the verified.sh. They're the ones that are giving different outputs.
And the verification key depends only on key generation. So it does not depend on anything else. So
Yeah.
it says public what?
It says unable to open file, target public inputs. I could send you in the chat, you see.
Okay.
Let me send you this whole. And even for my build, when I do the build.sh, let me send you the output, you see. It's the build.sh.
Now, what about if you write, can you try BB help?
Okay, let me see.
BB verify, BB then space verify,
Mm-hmm.
dash help.
So, I see this. Mm-hmm.
What does it bring? Where have you written that?
Let me. Here it is. Here it is at the in the terminal. The BB verify dash help.
Yes. Public
So
inputs path.
yeah, it
Path.
says public inputs path. So path
Mm.
to public inputs. Maybe you want a path to the public inputs.
Uh-huh. Okay, this one does not help. Just
Mm-hmm.
giving us commands, just giving us commands on that we
Yeah,
could
on what to.
use.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, but is it seeing your target? Just try and write in run is that is SLS then space dot
Uh, what's the command again?
ls
Okay.
then
ls.
space
Mm-hmm.
dot slash
//
dot no slash then target then slash.
target then slash like that.
Mm-hmm. What does it bring?
It brings the ngrange.gz,
Mm.
the ngrange.json, and the proof directory and the verifying key.
So these are the things in the target. Now, what
Yes, in
about
the
this?
target.
What is this public? What is this? Why is this thing called public thing?
So the public is in the proof directory. Maybe when we cd to the proof, the proof tab, okay, underscore dir. Oh, wait. No, search file. Let me see. ls script source target on chain. Okay, let me see. cd into target. So the target has the proof.ir. So it's cd into proof.ir, then ls. So yeah, so my proof.ir has the proof and the public inputs.
And the public inputs. Now let's look what, maybe we look at it later.
Okay. Could you also send me your outputs when you do the verify and the build.sh so that you could also search?
Now just before that,
Yeah.
maybe you can try this in the verify. In the verify, let's try this. Let me just send you. Let me send you some code that you try it.
Okay.
In the verify, we see whether this one will work. So just I've included something public input, target public input. Just try that.
Yeah, I have seen it. So I will paste this in the verify.
Yes, I'll delete the other one and replace with this so we see whether it works.
Okay. Just a moment.
Or just add it. Just add it at the bottom.
Okay, I have the new one that you have sent me. Let me see now what's gonna happen. So let me cd out of this. Yeah, so I'm there. Script, yeah, the verify.sh. So it says that the
I
following.
did not expect that.
Yeah, I did not expect that.
Okay, you can just go back and do.
Okay. Yeah, there we haven't done. So yeah. Then when I try again, so we are back to the error that we had.
We are back the same error. So maybe we find out what that one, why it does that.
Okay.
What about if you, let me just see. So because I'm thinking of,
let me stop sharing so that I can see your screen.
I just want to add, I wanted to add something inside that so that it can now see the public input.
Okay.
I just want us to, let me just share this.
All right.
No, not share. No, I just want to send it to you.
Oh, okay.
So, yes, just want to share and send to replace it with this so we see what happens.
All right.
So that I want it now to see whether it can see the public inputs.
Have you sent it?
Yes.
Okay. Let me copy it.
You have seen it?
Yes, I've seen it. Let me copy it. So I'm still putting it in the verify.sh, right?
Yes. Because I wanted now to see,
Mm-hmm.
to check the public inputs.
Yeah, okay, right. Let me save it. Yeah, let me now try again to run the script for verify.sh and see what happens. So it says public input file not found. Did you run the proof generation step?
It asks what, do you run?
Yeah, this one. This is the output.
Yeah, let's run what it has said. Proof generation. Let's
So
do
we are
that.
going to
Dot scripts proof.
the proof.sh.
Mm-hmm.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Compiling circuit. Yeah, proof saved created in that. So let me try again the command for the verify. It's still saying the same thing.
It's okay. So maybe we look at that later.
Okay, okay.
You can just undo. You can undo that command. We remember the one we had, and we
All
see
right.
what to improve on it. And we
All
find
right.
out why it's generating public inputs on one side and not on the other side.
On the other side. Okay.
So
All
that
right.
yes, so that if there's anything we are required to install,
Mm-hmm.
then we install it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so maybe in our next class we begin from there.
All right.
Yes, so if we will have found a response, any
Okay.
good yes.
Also, to for me to like to research, could you send me like the side of your output? What it's generating for you, the output you get when you run the same command that I'm running, so that
Okay.
I can also investigate why we
Are
have
you
different.
saying that I share?
Yes,
I
share
share
with
the
me in
link,
the chat.
the
Yes,
screen, eh?
yeah, share the screen.
Okay.
So yeah, maybe now we could start from scratch, and then we see what's your outputs.
Nago compile.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Nago compile. Okay, I begin with the Nago compile. Is that what you mean?
Yeah. So now go compile and then now go execute.
Then we go to the proof generation. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it is successful. We go to which one? Oh, you want to see the
Yeah, the
output?
output for your the proof.sh. I think it's the same with me. So the verify and the build are the ones that are different. So let's go to verify.
Yes, yes, yes. So dot scripts. And yours has a dot sh at the end. Eh?
Yeah, yes.
Mine is there.
Okay.
Says verifying the proof.
Uh-huh.
PK not found.
Okay, so we had not generated the keygen.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So it's generating. You can see it says generating.
Uh-huh.
Generating verification key.
Mm-hmm.
Then the scheme is ultra hong. finalize circuit size.
Scheme is ultra
PKs,
hang.
yes. And then
Proof
prove,
verified successfully. Yeah, yours
yes.
is working while mine is not. So mine
And then
says that. Uh-huh.
then we can try dot script
Dot build.
slash build dot sh.
Wow, yours is working.
Maybe it's just an issue of copying
Yeah,
from the new.
yeah. Maybe.
That of copying from the chat.
Could
Having
you
made,
maybe you could push this code to GitHub, and then I would copy it on my machine, and then try and run these commands and see if I will get the same thing as you're getting.
okay, it's already there.
Oh, it's already in the GitHub?
Yeah, it's already on the GitHub.
Okay, I'll look at
I'll
it.
just send you the link.
Yes.
And then we have slash the test one script. So the one for test is a bit long because it's doing all of them, all the tests. You can see the one for testing begins from here. So I had asked it to test. You see, we had given it to test whether it's 17 years, 18 years, whether it's valid. It says testing age 18, which is expected to pass. Starts a full build pipeline. Then there is a proving stage, compiling, executing. Then once it's done with 18, goes the next age and it does the same thing. It's exporting solidity verifier. So it's done with the 17 years. So it comes now to 17. It's done with 18, comes to 17. Again, tries the same tests. It finds one that is fails. It says it failed as expected. So it's compiling the circuit, executing, generating a witness, then it failed as expected. Then, so it comes to try 61. So again, 61 is supposed to fail. So you can see this one is a short. It fails at the beginning. So there's nothing else to say about it. So you can see again, very short. Just begins compiling, then executing, then it fails as expected. When it comes to 60, there's so many things to do here because it's not failing. That's the first thing.
Yeah.
Proves, and then compiles, executes. There are so many things to be done there, all of them passing, all of the up to PK, and then verifying the proof and so on, exporting, solidity. So this one does not fail, so it does all the tests on it.
Yeah.
But the ones that fail, only one or two tests, and then it fails, it stops at that. Says this one has failed, proceeds the next one. So you can test as many edges as you want. And then it does it. Of course, the other things we'll need to include later on so that it can do it online automatically or doing it online. There are a few things we need to download and install. I want to send you the link for what I have on GitHub. Of course, this one has it has many other things other than what you've just done. So you can look what the rest of the things that we have. So I'm sharing it. I'm sharing the link in the chat. Have you seen the link?
Yes, yes, yes. I've seen the link.
Now, when you download that, I'm just trying to open the link just to see what is there.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I need to let me just send you the exact link, because this one has so many other things. I don't know whether the link I've shared, whether it's the same as the one I'm sharing now.
Okay, okay, let's see. Mm-hmm. Let me see it again.
Yeah, the second one is okay. The second one is okay. It opens exactly where that one is, because that I had done one repo, and then it has several branches. There are several branches in the same repo.
Ah, okay.
But now the one I've sent, the next one is just the exact branch that we are referring to, which is edge range.
Okay.
Are you able to open from your side?
Yes, yes, it has opened. I can see everything.
You can see the README.
Yeah.
It
Yes,
begins with what?
yes. Edge range zero knowledge proof. This project implements a zero knowledge proof
Yes,
circuit
yes.
in Noir that allows, yeah.
And you can see the directory.
Yes.
So I have the scripts inside. I've built it, that, I've all those, and there's no way it has a public. This public thing, I don't know how it's coming about.
Okay.
Now, so when you look at this, just going back, when you click on the SRC, then the main is what we had.
Yeah, the main
So
Noir.
yes, so when you go back, we have the on-chain. It has the verified.sol. Then we have the scripts. I'm just trying to see whether there's anything new here. But this one has so many other things that maybe we look at them later. Things like Prettier. What Prettier does, once you've written your code, you have to install Prettier, then run it. Prettier just tries to write the code nicely.
Oh, nice.
You remove spacing and so on. So you see, sometimes when you're writing, there's some spacing, unnecessary spacing. So if you are doing your code for application, real world application, you need to ensure that the unnecessary spacing are not there. So Prettier does that. Once you've written the code, Prettier just does to ensure that the spacing that is there is what is required for a code. Yeah, so that is what Prettier does. So you can see Prettier, Prettier RRC, Prettier that. Those ones, once you run Prettier tests, these ones just come automatically.
Automatically, okay.
Once if you've installed Prettier, just run Prettier test, and then they come automatically. Then we have Yarn. We have Yarn. Now Yarn here, you install it, and then you can do it what we call Yarn proof generation. So you see, proof generation, you can either do it the way we're doing it, BB something,
Yeah.
or you can just say yarn proof generate. So that one is easier, but must have installed yarn.
Okay.
The proofs will be the same. The proofs will be the same, only that the commands are different. We have
Oh.
yarn generating and then BB generating, but the proof being generated has the same proof.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so only that, but the commands are the only ones that are different. So like mine, I've done yarn and I've also done the BB something. So the proofs are just the same. Anybody may want to take one route. Maybe you take the route of yarn or you take the route of BB, but you get the same proof for
The
it.
same outputs. Okay.
Yes. So that
Also,
is the
uh-huh.
that's the yarn you are seeing here. So again, the yarn is just you install. You can see I've
Yeah.
written there install state.gz. So once you install yarn, you
Mm-hmm.
get what we call package.json.
Yeah.
So that package.json will have some commands. Those are
Okay.
the commands yarn would then be using.
All right.
Yeah, so that is the only thing there.
All right. So I also saw that there's a Noir VS Code extension for LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
Let me send it to you. Where now your Noir code can have the LinkedIn, the red, the blues, those colors. Because right now even mine doesn't have, but I have just seen it. You could just install
Okay.
it. Yeah.
You have installed it, huh?
Yes. So let me see. Yeah, I've sent you the link. You could also
Yeah,
download on
I can
VS Code.
see the one called
Yeah.
marketplace.
Yes.
Visual.
Yeah.
Oh, so you said what does this one do?
So when you're writing the code, you see our Noia code, the main.nr, the code is white. It doesn't have like you see for the SH,
Yes.
you can see that the code is linked. It has the colors, the equal, there's some, the lines
Yes.
of code. Yeah, so for our Noia doesn't have those colors. It's called linting for readability and everything. So when
Okay.
when you install that
Yes.
extension, now the Noia code will look better. Because right now it looks like just text.
Okay. And even at the bottom, I can see some commands at the bottom.
Yeah.
When you open that link, I can see at the bottom there's something that is working on the project. The project provides a few useful commands via npm. We
Yes.
have npm run test compile run format. Okay, I'll look at it.
Okay.
Or there's somewhere install at the
Yeah.
top. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we can stop at that.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.